just blew away. Like, I definitely have to hold my phone with two hands. And I'm pretty sure, like, these trees in our parking lot are definitely coming down. Something's happening. And there's Ashley up there, squeegeeing the hallways. Because Central Philadelphia is all it. It's great. There you go. Here's some example of the entranceway into our complex. Some of the damage already. And this isn't even this area. Here is Ashley squeegee. Hang on. Hey, so as of now, I guess we've downgraded to category 3, but it is getting pretty crazy out here still. I don't know if you can tell, but it's super windy, really rainy. It's more so the gusts of wind that are a lot, for sure. And there's lots of flooding already happening here. Here, I'll show you a front view. These trees are like curly mown Mary. I can't quite decide which one is going to be going out first. I think it's the one in the middle. That's my bet.